Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about my IMT Ghaziabad interview experience. I'm hoping this interview will also again help you in your preparation. So please do watch till the end. So I had taken a morning slot. My reporting time was 8 a.m. I had booked a cab. I reached there at 7:50. I had seen that almost everyone had arrived there, and I was not exactly one of the last people, but I was pretty late in reaching there. I'm going to talk about my entire experience, and I cannot tell you how happy I am with my interview. I personally think it was amazing. The entire experience was very calm. They did not grill me at all, and the management was also very nice, very nicely done, very nicely managed. Overall, I'm really happy with my experience. So let's dive into it. I waited for approximately 40 minutes before my verification could be done. Since the verification was taking a lot of time, they decided that they'll only give us the panel number for now and do the verification after the CT test. I was given panel number 7 and sequence number 10. So there were I asked around a little. There were only 7 panels, and in at least in my panel the last number was 14, sequence number 14. Approximately 98 students, unless the earlier panels could have more people, but you can say approximately 100 people per slot. My CT topic is technology transforming the society into unsocial and self-centered. I personally felt like they had asked for too many documents, but they didn't even check half of what they had asked to get. So all they checked was 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, my final graduation mark sheet, and since I had work experience, he only checked my relieving letter from all 3 organizations. Said that they only want to confirm the start, the joining date and the end date, that's all. So in the email, in the call letter, it was clearly mentioned that they want offer letter, they want pay slips, first 2 months, last 3 months. So you can imagine the amount of documents I had actually taken with me, because I have work experience in 3 companies, but all they checked was only experience letter from all 3 companies. So my efforts in printing those documents out, finding those documents, and then also taking Xerox copy was all in vain. After that, the interviews had already begun. I think the interview started around 9:45, 9:50 a.m. The panel 1 was surprisingly going very fast. Like the first interview I saw got over only in 6 minutes. My panel the average time was 10 to 15 minutes. I think mine also lasted for, I think, 10 to 12 minutes or maybe 13 minutes. I'm not sure actually. The problem was that my watch stopped working at 11:30. So I couldn't time my interview, but approximately as per what I think should be around 12 to 13 minutes. I waited for good 2.5 hours. I think I must have went inside approximately 11:50ish, and I came out between 12 to 12:05, since I didn't have my phone and my watch was not working. So approximately those should have been the time parameters, because then I came down and I took my phone, which was around 12:07. So they did not grill me at all. The panelists were very calm, very chill. They genuinely wanted to know me. They genuinely wanted to know what I have done in my work experience, what I have learned, why have I made so many switches. So even when they asked those questions like why did I switch so many companies, they were not trying to grill me, or they were not trying to pressurize me as to what are you doing, why have you switched so many companies. They genuinely wanted to understand my perspective as to why have I done that. There has to be some reason why I have done that. I explained them my reason of switching companies, and they genuinely took it into consideration, and they were convinced. They were quite convinced. To my shock, one of the interviewer was very keen on asking me about my work experience, specifically on colors, and they asked me about Bigg Boss, surprisingly. So that was very calming actually, because it was in the funny zone rather than in actually the interviewing zone. So I think I was pretty okay answering those questions. I think I have done well. The second interviewer was little, you can say, like 5 to 10% intimidating, like trying to be intimidating, because the other one was so chirpy, so smiley, very happy go lucky kind of guy. So I think the second one wanted to be that little intimidating, but even then he was also very calm, So I think he got little confused specifically in my freelance project that I had done after I quit my job. So my freelance experience is in finance. You will read everything in my transcripts. I've made sure that I'm giving a detailed transcript to you guys for your understanding as to why they asked me what kind of questions. So it will be better if you read my transcript as well. The link will be in my description. So do give a read. He asked me, of course, those typical questions: where do you see yourself in 5 years? What companies do you want to work for? Then he asked me to name a few FMCG companies, since my last company, the last brand that I was handling was Dabur. So in all, I think the interview was pretty chill. Looked convinced with my answers. But I mean, I don't know how to exactly judge. I do feel like there are good chances for me, but I wouldn't want to be overconfident. So I'm hoping. Let's see. But I would suggest you guys that there were panelists that were also asking for current affair questions. So I would say that definitely be aware about the main, at least the main geopolitical happenings in the world. But other than that, be aware about your own work experience, your own academics. Mostly people are getting asked about yourself rather than current affairs, because they genuinely are interested in knowing what you have done, what your plans are, and how IMT fits into your plans. So I think that's about it. Be prepared. Don't worry at all. Just be calm. The interviewers genuinely want to know you. So talk about yourself. Tell them what you want to be, what you want to become, how IMT fits in your domain, and you'll be fine. So I will let you know, guys, if I do convert it. But all the best for your interviews as well. Bye.